In our last class we discussed about making of tray cover. So today our topic is care and maintenance of clothing. Maintenance of clothing is the way of keeping clothes clean and lasts longer. Ways of caring and maintaining clothes. Mend your clothes as soon as they are torn. Store clothes properly, either by folding neatly and storing in boxes/suitcases or hanging with suitable hangers. Do not store dirty or damp clothes. Wash clothes as soon as they are dirty. Study label on the clothes. Change underwears every day. Materials for care of clothing. Suitable cupboard. Wardrobe. Suitcases. Bag. Hangers. Soap and detergents. Water. Materials for maintaining of clothing. Starch, stiffing agent. Glue. Ironing. Stain removals. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.